Hi, this is Mark at Ding Dong's Garden. This is Longue Fig. It's got a French name. I'm not sure what its origins are, but it's a very unique fig, and I like it for a couple reasons. One is that it's relatively early ripening because it has the French word for August in the name, and also because it's large and it has a really unique shape. You can see some of the other younger figs here already have that kind of long shape, so I'm sure there's others like this, but I haven't seen any. It is August here in the maritime Pacific Northwest up in the San Juan Islands, and the only reason we can get a fig like this this early in the year is to put it in a hoop house. We have this one is in ground, but we also still have a lot that are in pots, but eventually we'll move them all to be in ground. So it's a great way if you live in a cool environment like the maritime Pacific Northwest or the UK, you can, if you put things under plastic, they'll ripen a lot earlier, particularly figs. And Longue is like any other fig. It roots very easy. We have probably about 80 to 85% success rates when we root figs. And I'll go ahead at the end of this video, and in the description I'll put a link that shows how we do it. But it's pretty straightforward, and it's much cheaper than buying a new fig plant at a nursery, because for a few bucks you can get a cutting and grow it out, and by the end of the summer it'll be as big as something you would have bought at a nursery anyway. I think it's about ready, so let's go ahead and pick it and cut it open and see what it looks like. Sometimes it's a guessing game to know whether it's ripe or not, but this one is pretty squishy, so I think we're good to go. And it is, look at that. This is Longue Fig. It's got a unique shape. It's got a lot of pulp, and it is early ripening.